Every day we blasting fuck niggas, getting them fucking murdered. We still sliding, having fuck niggas fucking buried. We still hitting everything with fucking bullets. We still trapping, creating fucking hundreds. We still always winning fucking battles. We still really whacking fucking targets. We still taking fucking spirits. We still making faces fucking missing. We still defeats fucking anything. We still jumping fucking fences. We still invades fucking places. We still ruling, reigning fucking supreme. We still leaving fucking imprints. We still achieve fucking vengeance. We still lurking fucking rampage. We still wildin' emerge fucking better.